Good day, sir. I'm Digamo. We will discuss OHS, Occupational Safety and Health. The legal basis of occupational safety and health in the Philippines is crucial for ensuring a safe and healthy work environment for all employees. This legal framework aims to protect workers from hazards, prevent accidents, and promote overall well-being in the workplace. Key legal foundation of OHS in the Philippines. The legal basis of OHS in the Philippines is primarily rooted into key pieces of the legislation. Number one, Presidential Decree or PD 442, Labor Code of the Philippines. This code outlines the rights of Filipino workers, including the right to be protected when at work. It emphasizes the importance of safety and health as a crucial investment, highlighting the benefits of loss avoidance in the terms of time, productivity, and employee well-being.
Good day, sir. I am Reyes Kenneth. This is a continuation of the topic that reported by Digamo. Republic Act 11058, which is Occupational Safety and Health Standards, or OSH, Act of 2018. This law replaced the previous OSH and PD 442 laws, introducing stricter regulations and increased worker protections. It emphasized employer responsibilities, including providing safe work procedures, hazard information, training, and protective equipment. Importance of the legal basis of OSH in the Philippines. The legal basis of OSH in the Philippines plays a vital role in protecting workers and promoting a safe and healthy work environment. Here are some key reasons why it is so important. Worker protection. The legal framework ensures that workers have the right to a safe and healthy work environment, free from hazards and risk. This includes the right to refuse unsafe work and the right to receive adequate training and protective equipment.
Accident prevention by enforcing safety standards and requiring employers to implement safety measures. The legal framework aims to prevent accidents, injuries, and illness in the workplace. Number 3. Improve productivity. A safe and healthy work environment contributes to increase productivity and reduce absenteeism. When workers feel safe and secure, they are more likely to be engaged and focused on their tasks. Compliance and enforcement. The legal framework provides a clear set of rules and regulations that employers must comply with. This ensures the safety standards are consistently met and that non-compliance is addressed through penalties and enforcement action.
Good day everyone. Good day sir. This is Cadet Ibar Ligados. Today we will discuss about personal safety. Personal safety is defined as an individual's ability to go about their everyday life free from threat or fear of psychological, emotional, or physical harm from others. Why is personal safety important to us? Personal safety is a concept that we all need to have in order to feel at peace and minimally comfortable. Many people know of Maslow's hierarchy of needs, which places safety and security second on the list. This means that after satisfying our psychological needs, we need to feel safe.
Good day, everyone. I will be discussing what is the purpose of personal safety. A personal safety is to protect an individual's physical, emotional, and psychological well-being in a virus environment. It involves taking proactive measurement to avoid danger, maximize rest, and respond effectively to emergencies. Here's a detailed breakdown of each purposes. The first, prevention of injury and harm. Second, protection of personal rights. Third, maintenance of mental. Fourth, empowerment and independence. Fifth, promotion of responsible. Sixth, facilitation of growth and exploration. And lastly, enhancing community and social safety. In addition, the purpose of personal safety is to ensure that individuals can live, work, and interact in a secure manner, free from harm and undue rest. It is about creating conditions that allow the pursuit of healthy, fulfilling, and independent life.
I will report about personal safety. Personal safety is a guide to staying safe. Personal safety, a crucial aspect of our lives, encompassing a wide range of practices and precautions to minimize risk and ensure well-being. Here's a 5 key areas and tips of personal safety. Number 1. Awareness and situational awareness. Be alert, trust your instinct, and avoid distraction, and be aware of your environment. You'll just to be pay attention in your surrounding physically, digitally, and don't hesitate to move yourself from a situation. Number 2, physical safety, self-defense, secure your home, travel safely, and be cautious online. Be mindful in your physical and personal information shared on online, and consider learning basic self-defense techniques to empower yourself daily. Number 3, digital safety. Strong password, two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing scam, and protect your devices through online. Number 4, emotional and mental safety. Build a support network, seek help when needed, practice self-care. And lastly, number 5, emergency preparedness. Know emergency numbers, have a safety plan, prepare a first aid kit, and remember, personal safety is an ongoing process. By staying informed, taking precautions, and being proactive, and you can significantly reduce your risk and harm and live a safer life. That's all. Thank you.
Good day everyone, especially to you sir. I am Cadet Gennaro Balaes, and for today, I will discuss about personal safety and benefits of personal safety. Personal safety is an investment in a more fulfilling and secure life. It empowers individuals and strengthens communities, leading and safer and more harmonious world. Benefits of personal safety. There are individuals' benefits. First, improve physical health, reduce risk and accidents, injuries, and death. Enhance mental and emotional well-being, reduce anxiety, fear, and stress, leading and greater peace and stability. Increase freedom and autonomy, ability to engage in activities, pursue passions, and explore surroundings without fear. Boosted confidence and self-esteem. Empowerment through self-defense and safety awareness. Societal benefits. Improved productivity and performance. Reductions in workplace accidents and injuries, leading to a more positive and work environment. Stronger relationships and community cohesion. As a safer society, foster trust, cooperation, and sense of community. That's all.